Charlotte 1979. We're going to get the Madam Bird on the show tomorrow, so make sure you tune in to that. Apparently, they're a big fan of the old 4-4-4-4-4 party, so we're not getting involved, but right now...
It's on a building course. No one could dream. Captain Catapult's ready. So many name suggestions coming through for the catapult.
Melissa said the no. Lara's gone Mexican way. Dalton's gone the catapult.
A massive toss-up.
Catter has launched his own Australian party. If we could get Bob Catter...
I've been told that there's going to be a catapult.
Can we call it the Bob Catapult?
Mate, no sweat.
That was the big moments when the announcement was made. Bob Catter is on board. Our Bob Catapult going to throw a car of 50 metres, Fitzy.
This is unbelievable. On board, we've got Partridge Partners. We've got Art from Max. Art is actually working on Man Max 4 at the moment. Ken Art's Hire, Phillips Steel Fabrications, We Live Salvage, Masada Cars, Hannah's Civil Engineering, and obviously August 5th. Make sure you get your eye on the Tide Power Sydney Speedway. The Phillips Steel Fabrications.
Yeah, mate, we want to have a quick look at it. You know what? There's also talk, Fitzy. We're trying to get some bumper stickers together. There's fireworks we're working on. It's going to be the biggest night ever. But we had to check on the progress of the catapult. Because Pigface, it started on Monday, right? And we wanted to know how far. Is this thing up yet? Are we ready to test it? Where's it going to be? You've got to test it before you actually launch on the night.
So we went out and saw Greg and the boys today. Greg, and what was the other guy's name?
Was it Darren or Dale?
Daryl. Greg and Daryl. Just labourers.
Great
The
bloke.
boys who own Phillips Fabrications and also Phillips Bins went out there today to see how the catapult was going.
Right now, you get more freedom when you buy any new Suzuki road bike with free on-road costs.